have hit over 6,000 steps. Almost to my destination. My goal has been 6,000, so I'm happy about that. Hopefully I can hit 7 before I hit it. End of the trail. Talked to my mom earlier today, so my sound made me muffled. Yeah. What's up, y'all? I'm in here listening to Sifting. Hello. They can't hear me. But let me pause this real quick. Let's turn this down a little bit. So, me and my wife, we got this area together like I've been wanting. So she got it together real quick for me, with me. So we're gonna go ahead and get this together. Where's my TV at? There you go. Where is it? You don't see it over there. But all right, let me show you what I'm about to do. That grow tent right here, baby. Yeah. It felt so good to open this mug up. Now look at this. Now the prices was $50.99 at the time. And look at the size. Now this is the new price. So it's even cheaper than when I bought mine. When I recorded this video, I really did not see all the stuff that I have back here. But the things in the background, this is just a growing garage. So I have a lot of growing related things scattered and positioned in different locations, but I'm in here trying to grow, y'all. If this was your grow tent, what would one of the items that you would be thinking about growing in this location? It's not a lot of space, but it's space that you can utilize. Could you record me put this up? Can you stand above me?
It ain't my pieces together. I went in there and I went in there.
Putting together a grow tent has been easy for me because I've done so many. I have 5 in here and I've had multiple ones. But yes, this is pretty easy for me because I've done it before. I mean, it's self-explanatory. Some of the things you have to put together and then take it apart. But it was definitely a thrill to put it together. One of the reasons why I have a grow tent is because you can control your environment even better, and you have concentrated light because of the reflective material that is located inside of the greenhouse. Now, having these, they're thin material, but they work. They get the job done, and that's exactly what you want done. It's not about being fancy. They have more expensive grow tents, but those are not the use that I need them for. This is just to grow me some fruits and vegetables, and I'm able to have a very, very warm environment here with the fans and everything producing what it's supposed to produce.
Can you help me? I need more energy.
One of the things that I like about this grow tent is that it's a heavy canvas structure, so it's gonna be durable. It has the built-in pouch that is very, very essential to keep your tools in and things of that nature. It also has ventilation holes at the top and at the bottom that you utilize those the way that you see fit. It also has the easy view window so you can peek in and check on your plants. You can see it, as you can see in this video, there's no tools that you need. This is metal, so there also is rust resistant, Now these little corners here, it's metal, so it doesn't break as easily. And also you're able to put 110 pounds on top, so that means that you can put things on top so that you don't have to go searching for it. It's right there at your fingertips. And as you can see, it's not a big tent, but it gets the job done. It's like a 2 foot by 2 foot by 5 foot. And that's exactly what I need. I need something that's gonna service some plants, and I'm gonna do vertical growing. Have you ever put a tent together? One of these grow tents together? Did you like it? Answer in the comments. I love mine. I'm glad that I get to put this together, and eventually I'm gonna have to replace one of them because something fell on it and one of the legs is broke. So this just gives me a little bit of practice. I hope that you enjoyed this demonstration that I'm doing. Yes, the people you hear in the back, again, this is F.R. Humphrey and Mona from Sifting Some Soil, and they had a guest on this day that I took the recording. I cannot remember her name, but she does crafting as well, and it's just beautiful that they go at the time that they go, and they have very nice content that they actually deliver. And every once in a while I get to go up on the panel and talk as well, so it's a win-win for me. They go live on Sunday at 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then they go live on Monday. Well, FR goes live on Monday at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So, and it just works out for me. The tent is 5'3", something like that. So, it looks good inside. Yeah, it look good inside. It's a smaller tent than I thought. I mean, than I remember paying for, but still gets the job done. This just got a tad bit tricky, and that's because I didn't know, and it didn't indicate, you know, which one goes on top and which one goes on bottom. But it just takes you know, extra little 3 seconds, and I was able to put it to where the cross sits relatively right for the grow light. And ta-da! If this is your first time viewing my content, I want to thank you for coming over here, and I want to thank you for lasting this long on the video. And if you've been here before, I thank you for the support. It is greatly appreciated. My wife is videotaping this for me. What I am doing is I am securing the spill tray. The spill tray is something where you want to utilize this more, because it just helps your mess, your cleanup, to be easier if you happen to spill water or some of your soil or whatever in the tent. It's an easy cleanup. Yes, very, very effective. Okay, on this corner, I want you to get really close. On the next one, which corner is better for you to zoom in on?
My left.
Alright.